Hello Chaltu, how are you? I am fine, thank you, and you? Oh my god, you talk like guy Chaltu. What happened to your sound?
I am just for kidding you. Nothing happens to my sound. Anyways, how are you today?
Chaltu, this is not good for you, don't just kid me like this in the future. Don't you think this makes me angry?
Hi. Take it easy, Tola. Just I said it's for joking purpose, Oh my god. You take it as serious, bro. Please forgive me.
Okay Chaltu. Could I ask you some question if it's your pleasure?
Yes, you can, Tola. What is it?
Oh, thank you Chaltu. My question is, will you marry me?
Yes, 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 and yes. I will not marry you, idiot.
You no Chaltu, you.